Hey guys, today I have another slime video, and this is a slime video on the slimes that I made today. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this first slime I have is a galaxy slime that I made. I'm not gonna rate these because these are my slimes, so. And it's a really pokey slime. It's really stretchy. You can feel like the grindiness of the sparkles. And it's a pretty good amount. So if I would sell this, I would sell this for about $1. Since it's a good amount and it has some, like two kinds of sparkles. And it's pokey and stretchy. So yeah, on to the next slime. So the next slime I have here is in a tin foil, and it's actually, this one is a pink slime. This one's like a putty, and this one's actually sold to my friend Tori. This was $1, but she wanted it for about 50 cents. So now this is 50 cents. It was $1 because it was stretchy. It was really pokey. And it's a very good amount. It has some sparkles in it. I don't know if you guys can see it though. I'll try to see the sparkles. I don't know. It's like pink sparkles, so it like matches with the stuff. Or it's like purple sparkles. I don't remember. So yeah, on to the next slime. So this next slime I got from my friend Megan on Friday. It's a white butter slime. Let's get it out. It might look gray now because I was playing with it a little bit. It's like stuck. So yeah, here's what the gray butter slime looks like. Let's get that out of the way. It's spread, and if I ever wanted to sell this, because I didn't even want it no more, I would sell this for about $1 also, because it's a butter slime, obviously, and it's a stretchy butter slime, but it's not a pokey butter slime. I mean, it's pokey, but it doesn't make the pokey noise. So yeah, on to the next slime. So here's the next slime that I made. It's in this big container, even though it's like this small. So this is a really good slime. It's not a fluffy slime, it's a regular slime. I would have sell this for $1 if I would ever sell this, because it's a very big amount. I mean, not very big, but it's like kind of a big amount. It's a nice color. It has some sparkles in it. It's stretchy and it's pokey. Stretchy, pokey. So yeah, on to the next slime. So this next slime is another slime that I made. Yeah, the one that I made. And this one is for like Easter. This one's also like a putty. And this one's for Easter. It's like an Easter colored one. It's stretchy. It's Pokey. Hold on. Pokey. And it's a very bright yellow color. It's like a neon color that boys would wear for like Under Armour or girls. And this is just a smoother feeling than the pink one, but the pink one was like a putty. This one is a putty also that I made. And yeah, on to the next slime. This next slime is another slime that I made. It's another Easter color, but it's like a liquidy slime. It's an orange one. And by the way, I forgot to say how much, if I would sell the yellow one, how much I would sell it for. I would sell it for at least like 75 cents, because that one is actually a good amount, but it's a putty. So yeah, this one I would have to sell for $1 because it's a jiggly slime. It's like super pokey, super stretchy, and it gets stretched farther than that. And it will stick to your clothing, so be careful. It's like a good orange color. Like, I love this slime. It feels just like water. But like a jiggly slime doesn't really stretch, so I shouldn't really say a jiggly slime. I should just say like a regular liquid slime. I guess I put too much glue instead of borax and water, so it turned out to be this, unless it's just wanted to be this. I don't know how I made it like this, but I made it so perfect. This is how I made my other neon yellow one, which is in my yellow bag. If I'll get it if you guys want to see it. So yeah, on to the next slime, I guess. So in this container is that yellow one I was talking about, the yellow jiggly one. That actually turned out to be pretty good, but it turned out to be brown. Every yellow slime I have turns into brown. I don't know how, but I think you guys will be able to see better with that. Oh no, not on that box. Maybe it's just my brightening. I'm like looking at the camera, not the slime. I'm looking at the slime now. No, it's like, maybe because I'm unblocking. This is a very small amount, and which I don't really like. So that's why I made a bigger amount. That's the orange one. Again, I don't know how I made this, and I don't know how I made the orange one. So yeah, on to the ending. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. And comment down below if you want me to make more slime, and I'll make a slime video. Once I get glue, I will make lots and lots of slime, so expect more slime videos. So yeah, don't mind that big panda back there. So yeah, peace.